Exercise 7.1 in the Guitar Shop exercise. It's actually rather simple. The first part of the assignment asks us to test whether a table has been modified correctly. You can do this by creating a select statement, but the actual exercise wants us to write an insert statement that adds this row to the category table. And we're going to insert the category name of brass into the table. So we're to code the insert statement so that SQL Server automatically generates a value for the category ID column. And then you're supposed to attach the .sql query that we're doing and created and a screenshot of the results. So you're supposed to include both. So to make sure that we've done it properly, what we're going to first do is we're going to test whether a table has been modified correctly. And that means that we're going to write and run a select statement before we do our insert statement and then after to make sure that brass has been added. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the MyGuitarShop database, look at the tables, and the categories table is right here. And you notice the category name. So we're going to be inserting brass into that category name. So to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to create a new query. We'll make sure that we're using the MyGuitarShop, or you can use MyGuitarShop. Then we're going to select category name from the categories table. So what we're doing is we're selecting the category name from the categories table. Let's go ahead and run that, execute it, and as you can see, so we have the category ID column here. As you can see, category ID, it's the primary key, and we also have the category name. We have basses, drums, guitars, and keyboards. What we're going to insert in here is going to be brass. So to do that, we create a new query. We're going to use MyGuitarShop. What the assignment wants us to do is to write an insert statement that adds this row to the category table. In other words, it wants us to add the category name of brass. So we're going to insert into categories as category name, values, don't forget the semicolon. Now let's run it, see what it gives us. Notice it affected one row. So now let's check to see if brass actually was inserted. If you remember, this was the results of the query that we used to pull from the category name. So let's rerun it. Let's execute it again. And there it is. Brass is added. So that's the answer to 7-1. Thank you for watching.